In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to access your Xero account. Whether you're new to managing online accounts or looking to expand your team's access to your financial information securely, Xero makes this process straightforward and secure. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into the step-by-step instructions you'll need to follow to bring new users into the fold of your Xero organization. First things first, head over to the Xero website. This is where every action we're going to discuss today starts. The Xero homepage is designed to be welcoming and intuitive, so locating what you need should be a breeze. Next up, you're going to want to log into your account. To do this, look for the login button, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. A single click on this button will direct you to the login page, a gateway to all your financial data and management tools. Once you've clicked on the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. This is where you type in the email address and password associated with your Xero account. Take an extra moment to double check the information you've entered. This will save you from the minor frustration of a typo preventing your access. After entering your login credentials, proceed by clicking on the Login button. Doing so will whisk you away to the dashboard of your Xero account, the command center from where you'll manage your organization's financial affairs. Now that you're logged in, let's move to the core of today's lesson, inviting a new user. Navigate your way to your organization from the dashboard. This particular area is where you'll be able to view and manage specifics about your organization, including who has access to this wealth of information. After you've made your way to your organization, the next step is to find and click on Settings. The Settings section is where Xero allows you to customize and control various aspects of your account. Everything from financial settings to user permissions is managed here. Within Settings, look for the Users option and click on it. This is where you'll see a list of individuals who currently have access to your Xero account, as well as the option to invite more users. To add a new user, you'll want to click on Invite a User. This action opens up a world of possibilities for collaboration within your organization, and it's the step that truly kickstarts the invitation process. When inviting a new user, you'll be asked to enter some personal details about the individual. This step is crucial for security and identification purposes, allowing Xero and yourself to know exactly who has access to your financial data. After filling out the personal details, you'll select the permissions for the new user. Xero offers a variety of permission levels, giving you the flexibility to tailor access for each user according to their role within your organization. Take a moment to consider what level of access is appropriate for the new user. Choosing correctly will ensure they have the tools they need to contribute without overstepping any boundaries. Finally, after setting up the user's details and permissions, you will click on Send Invite. This action sends an email invitation to the user, guiding them through setting up their access to your Xero account. Once they accept the invite and complete their setup, they'll have access to the information and tools you've designated. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to inviting a user to your Xero account. Not only does this process help streamline your financial management by involving the necessary team members, but it also upholds the security and integrity of your financial information by ensuring only authorized users have access. Remember, managing who has access to your Xero account is an ongoing responsibility. Regularly review your list of users and their permissions to ensure that everyone has the appropriate level of access. Adjusting permissions or removing users who no longer need access is just as important as adding new ones. By following these steps, you're not just inviting a user, you're strengthening your financial team and securing your organization's financial data. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or part of a larger entity, mastering these aspects of Xero can greatly enhance your financial management strategy. Thank you for joining me for today's tutorial. Feel free to leave questions or share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep optimizing your financial workflow with confidence.